Okay, let's see the next question. The next question is saying that remove all the vowels from a string, right? So let's go to the blackboard first. So let's take an example. I'm having again. Let's take the word is comparison, right? Now everyone knows that we have to travel over this. So when the C is coming, so what should we do? Save it somewhere, right? And when this o is coming, this O is a vowel. Should we do anything? No, we should not do anything, right? So we should keep it as it is, right? And when M is coming, we should keep it as it is. Sorry, we should add it to this C M. It should become. Then we should take the P, then we should take the A, then we should take the R, I, S, O, N, right? So this is the thing that we should do here. That means whenever the vowel is coming, you should remove it, and whenever the consonant is coming, you should keep it, right? You should save it or you should preserve it. So same thing we'll be doing here. Same logic we use it in the previous question. If someone wants to access that, just check this playlist is by the name Python 2025 or something like that. I will say enter the word. So whatever the word we are having is it will be entering. Okay, so after that obviously we have to take the vowels. Let's say we will say vowels. We'll be creating one string, and I will say A, E, I, O, U, right? And I will keep in the capitals ones as well. A, E, I, O, U, right? So both capital and the small letters as well. And here obviously I have to preserve the result, so I'll be saying the result equal to this, right? Empty string. And here I will say for I in for I in range for I in word. So can we do with the word? Okay, let me do it in a different way. Let me do it with the range function now. If you have seen the range function while of video, then you will be knowing it. So I will say in length of word, right? So length of word में. So what we'll be doing here is I'll be doing something like this. If okay, what do I have to do? If word अगर word का if word of I, right? So now I will give me the index number. So suppose if my word is removed, and this I now it will have a this numeric value, right? When you are using the range function, this range function will give you the 0 1 2 3, right? It will give the 0 1 2 3. So here we'll be having the 0 initially, right? That means what we are doing here is go to the word, go to the index number 0, go into the index number 0. So over there, let's say there is R. Now you have to check if this R is present in this vowel. So I'll be saying here vowels, right? And if it's a vowel, then what should we do nothing, right? Else we should do it. So what is the best case here? If I will say if w of I, this I is not in present in vowels, that means then we should preserve it. So here what I will do is instead of using the in, I will say use here not in. If are not in vowels, then what should we do? We should preserve it. So what I will do here is I will say result equal to result plus word of I, not I now, word of I, because we are using here indexing, right? We are using indexing here, that's why we will say word of I, right? That's it. And then I will say print result, right? So you can keep that as well. So like if there is a space or something like that, then you have to use here if condition that I have shown in the previous video. So you'll be saying that then something like this. Okay, let me show you that this thing first. Let me run it. Okay, so now I'm giving something like this, remove remove. Now can anyone tell me what are the characters that should be removed from here? One is this E, O, and this E, right? So now if I will executing, you are getting the RMV, right? This is the thing that I was saying to you. Let's say if I am saying something like this and I am keeping here this word is, right? And it is giving me WRD space S, right? So as by default this space is being preserved here. Getting this point? Okay, that's it. So if you know how we are getting this, so what we are doing this here, this is the range function. Range function will give me the numeric values, right? Now we are not iterating here. Okay, two ways. Let me show the other way as well. Let me comment these lines. So instead of using this, I can also say like this, for I in word. So I'll be traveling directly over the word because this is a string, and string we can is iterable. String is iterable. So what I will say is I will say if I not in now, not in vowels. If an I is not in vowels, so what I'll be doing is I'll be doing something like this: result plus equal to I, and after that I'll be saying here print. Print, what should we print? Result, right? Let me run it now, and it is saying enter the word. Let's me give Python, Python, right? Let's give the capitals ones in between, Python, right? So the O is the vowel now here, right? So obviously it is removing the O as well here as well, right? So Python. Okay, that's it. This is your code, you can check it. Thank you. Tata, bye bye.